welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do polka dot nail art. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Now you will start by painting your toenails 5 different colors. Now that you let them dry, we're going to go and put the polka dots on. Instagram is in the description below. Click on the cards at the top of the video and the videos on the end screen. Like, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.